At 5, marriage debate. Hundreds of people across the state are headed to Chicago to hear oral arguments in tomorrow's court case on same-sex marriage. Good evening. A federal appeals court in Chicago will hear arguments in cases from Indiana and Wisconsin.
The 7th Circuit Court of Appeals consolidated the two cases, which put them on the fast track. We talked to two plaintiffs in this case, and News Channel 15's Lamar Holliday is here tonight with their reactions. Lamar?
Mark, Monica Worley and Harriet Miller were heading to Chicago this afternoon when I talked to them. They say they wanted to be on this case because the time has come for marriage equality and for the law to protect the rights of LGBT people to get married. June 25th will mark a day in Indiana history. A federal judge in Indianapolis struck down the state's gay marriage ban as unconstitutional, leading to hundreds of same-sex marriages around the state. But an appeals court stayed the ruling 3 days later following an appeal from the state attorney general's office. Now two couples from Fort Wayne who are part of the appeals lawsuit are getting ready for tomorrow's hearing.
We're humbled, I think, to be part of this process. We got involved because we believe that our rights were being denied.
Harriet Miller and Monica Worley got married 2 months ago today. They contacted the American Civil Liberties Union and said they wanted to be involved in any appeals lawsuit after the 7th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals put a stay on the ruling.
We're doing this as a role model, I think, for future generations to say, when you recognize that your rights are being denied and the Constitution is not being upheld, that stepping up and speaking your heart and truth will bring justice.
Federal judges in both Indiana and Wisconsin overturned the gay marriage ban in separate rulings. When both states appealed, the circuit court combined the cases. Oral arguments will be heard tomorrow morning. And we'll have coverage of tomorrow's hearing in Chicago. Be sure to follow us online at wayne.com, on our social media sites, and tomorrow on our newscasts. In Studio 15, Lamar Holliday, News Channel 15.